the 1969 Chevrolet Caprice four-door sports sedan.
Ooh.
Garnet red over black, 93,000 actual miles. Numbers matching, 427 cubic inch, 390 horse V8. And numbers matching the turbo hydromatic 400 automatic. Protecto plate, very original, 12-bolt posi. This is a four-door sedan.
And it will sell.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I mean, these things go quick, even four-door.
Yeah, but talk about grand touring. That's a nice lead sled.
And you just don't see many of those with the 427.
People love them. People love them. They buy these things up like
I know.
crazy.
It's funny, cars like that you know when they come in, you just know that they're going to be the next to sell.
Exactly. But
my dad had
this, it could be gone.
66 Caprice with a 6-cylinder.
Yeah. Way to go, Dad. Thanks for being cool.
Still collectible.
Yeah, still collectible now, you know. And it's funny, like Camaro SS convertibles that have 6-cylinders in them that we've had here.
Yeah.
Which you think nobody would order that. Yeah, some people did. They wanted maybe the looks, the spoiler, maybe the added accoutrements that the SS had, but they didn't want the V8. They were even cost efficient. Even people back then were fuel minded, even in the late 60s.
A little bit when it was 25 cents a gallon.
Yeah. Well, but I mean,
it was all relative.